Welcome to the Crypto Win channel. Today we will talk about the price of Zcash for the next few weeks. Like and subscribe to the channel before watching this video. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 Bitcoins among all who subscribed. Zcash (ZEC), with a market cap of around $1.5 billion, is in the mid-50s on CoinMarketCap. As the cryptocurrency market attracts more and more altcoins, Zcash could become popular this summer for its privacy features. ZEC provides users with the benefits of decentralization and privacy, 2 of the most important cryptographic principles, and so in this article, we will analyze the possibility of Zcash returning from the bearish climate of June 2021 amid its ever-strengthening foundations. We will examine the current price of the ZEC, factors that may affect its price in June, and price forecasts for the end of the month. Zcash price analysis. ZEC entered the market for over $5,000 in 2016, but the token price began to drop within weeks of launch. By December 2016, the coin had plummeted to $48.90, and experts cited the low supply and slow start of mining rewards as the reason. High price of ZEC at launch. The coin recovered and was trading at $520.6 by the end of 2017. However, before Zcash could try to regain its lost ground, the 2018-19 bear market crashed into the token, and its value ranged from $30 to $70. This price volatility has become a defining characteristic of how Zcash is viewed in the crypto community. While the boom in the cryptocurrency market, blockchain updates, and collaboration agreements have pushed the ZEC's value to over $300 multiple times, the token has struggled to stay above this psychological price level. The same was the case last year, when Zcash significantly improved its price in February, but reacted negatively to the cryptocurrency market crisis in March, falling below $25. Despite this, since the second half of 2020, the coin has continued to recover and changed hands for just $150 at the time of writing, and has lost more than 19% of its value in the last 24 hours. However, experts remain hopeful for the future of Zcash, as its privacy-focused approach is expected to be in high demand in the future. The coin's historical price movement shows that it is responding very well to the cryptocurrency boom, and the growing interest in cryptocurrencies due to the pandemic is expected to help ZEC recover faster than before. Zcash, price factors for June. There are several factors that can affect the price of Zcash in June. As the U.S. Treasury mandates all cryptocurrency transactions over $10,000 to be reported, demand for altcoins that offer anonymity, such as Zcash, is forecast to rise. Its privacy features can also be useful for users who want to protect their identity in light of tough regulatory measures against cryptocurrency wallets in many countries. Crypto titan Barry Silbert also spoke out recently on this issue, stating that he believes privacy features are bound to be a huge benefit for investors in the near future. And, more importantly, the coin is in the sphere of interests of such major industry players as Roger Ver, Naval Ravikant, Barry Spielbert. The American financial giant JP Morgan, which, oddly enough, is also interested in confidentiality issues, provides serious support to the coin. Another well-known partner of the project is the largest IT corporation Digital Group. Thus, nothing threatens the existence of the coin at the moment. Against the background of the lack of privacy of other cryptocurrencies, ZEC is likely to continue to grow in popularity. Zcash price prediction. Price volatility points to a fierce battle between bulls and bears in the ZEC market, making this an interesting period for investors. If the price consolidates above the $180 support level, the ZEC could reach $200 in June and target somewhere between $300 and $350 by the end of the year, which is 50% above the current price range. The rise in investor interest in altcoins and the incentives offered by Zcash's privacy-focused features mean that ZEC can trade between $200 and $350 in the coming months. Wallet investor analysts predict that Zcash could reach $377.8 million by the end of the year, possibly hitting the $495.9 price level in June itself. Digital Coin Price also sees bullish gains approaching and expects the ZEC to trade at an average of $1,000 by the end of the year and hit the $180 mark. Today is June 25, 2021. Zcash price is $110.42 per coin. Today's range is $107.96 $116.34. The previous day's close, $112.75. The change was minus 2.33 minus 2.07%. Do you like our video? Like and subscribe to the channel. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 Bitcoins among all who subscribed.